Oh,
Opo.
okay po, sir. Yes po. Kayo po, sir, is under kay Sir Mark, marketing
Yes, ma'am.
executive tayo.
Content creator po, ma'am.
Okay, content creator. Okay po.
Opo.
Sige, so, ayan, Sir Erwin, again, good afternoon po. I'm like Lizana
Afternoon
from
po.
Office. So, I'll be discussing yung Vertex Pro and the Rata natin. Kasi, nga naman po, I think last anniversaries natin, it's more on mindsetting nga daw po sabi ni Sir Mark. So, today po, medyo mag-discuss po tayo ng technical details naman po about the product. So, just to run through with the introduction, so, of course, what we want to achieve with this presentation is to emphasize na scary yung death, which is, I know, mag-agree tayo both na nakakatakot nga naman talaga ang mamatay. So, but there are different cases, especially illnesses, top one po siya na reason why tayo nagpo-cause ng death. So, it is said in this PPT na anything po talaga kahit may 1 million pesos ka, may 1 million friends or families ka, it would be nothing without you. So, yun po yung scary about death. So, death is, hindi mo naman siya mapipigilan. Talagang part siya ng buhay natin. Pero minsan po talaga, napapamadali yung death dahil nga po dun sa mga nakukuha natin from the diseases. Pero again, that is scary. Pero may mas scary pa sa kanya, which is illnesses. So we're discussing about the chronic illnesses. Ito po yung mga sakit na hindi basta-basta, pero mahaba at long-term siya. So parang kumbaga, inuunti-unti niya yung katawan natin. So of course, this is very painful for our body. Ayaw naman natin magkaroon ng mga illnesses. Pero again, bata, matanda, nagkakaroon ng illnesses, especially if your foundation or your body has bad foundation or hindi maganda or hindi strong yung foundation na meron tayo in our body. So, syempre, napaka-scary. For me, it's really scary na instead na like mamatay ka na lang diretso or matsugi ka na lang diretso. Ganyan, makikita ka pa ng mga friends mo or family mo or ikaw, nakikita mo pa sa sarili mo na yun nga, nasa wheelchair ka. So, syempre, as much as possible, gusto natin siyang iwasan. And it includes also yung medical bills. So, right now, actually, ito yung nakita nga ito ni Dr. Cecil, sabi niya, onti pa nga yan, hindi pa nga yan yung todo-todo talaga na gasto sa tawag dito sa hospital. Parang last time I have experience, I have a worker na napilay lang siya. 1 week to hospital, hindi pa nga buong araw yung 10,000 agad yung nagastos niya. So imagine how much more dun sa merong mga chronic diseases like cancer, heart diseases, and kidney failure. Actually, these are the top three talaga na magastos when it comes to medications and hospitalization. So again, illnesses will be followed by medical expenses, which is sad to say, hindi lang sarili mo yung binobrought down mo, but the whole family. Of course, yung family natin, yung friends natin, love na love talaga tayo nan. That's why, pag nagkakasakit tayo, minsan, kasama sila sa nababreakdown natin. So, di ba, it's like mentally, physically, draining talaga for us to have illnesses. So, syempre, bakit natin nahayaan na mawala yung time or mag-slip away yung time for us. Yung appearance natin, nagbabago yan. Syempre, habang tumatanda tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng wrinkles, nagkakaroon tayo ng fine lines, tumatanda yung body natin. And within ourselves, actually, may mga sakit din tayo na accumulate. So, syempre, our dream is to have something na matutulungan tayo for anti-aging or para po maiwasan ba yung mga sakit na ganito or yung pagtanda natin. So, syempre, ang goal natin for this presentation is to know ano nga ba yung preventive medicine. We have to understand paano natin matutulungan yung sarili natin na maiwasan yung illnesses or yung pain itself. Kasi yung pain Grabe kapag may sakit ka, di ba sa mga palabas, makikita nyo talaga na na-hurt yung mga taong may sakit. Hindi lang sila nahihirapan, again, mentally, but also physically. So, it's really hard for them. So, syempre, dito nagsisimula na madaming mga nag-emerge na mga health supplement. Because health supplement is actually very effective for preventive medicine. Why? So, yung problem lang natin with the health supplements is kailangan natin to prove yung effectiveness. Siyempre gusto po natin na yung i-take natin is something effective or something talaga na matutulungan ng katawan natin. Again, our goal is preventive medicine. So, siyempre, ang hahanapin natin is something na matutulungan tayo. So, oh my goodness talaga. Kasi nag-iiyak siyang hanapin. Pero ngayon, meron tayong na-discover na another supplement na very good for preventive medicine. It has patents. So, patents po yung mga clinical trials or certificate na nag-undergo sa clinical trials, yung mga ingredients na nilagay natin in the formulation para masabi talaga na effective siya for our body. So, ano nga ba yun? So, syempre, our question is, totoo ba to? Or is it something as a dream nga ba? So, I will introduce, so under Chantal Direccias, which make this dream come true. So, sila po yung nag-help sa atin. Ayan. So, Erin, sinabi ko lang po dito si Denise. Makikinig ng bola. So, ayan, again, so we have the product from Chantal. So, this product po is nakakatulong dun sa preventive na medication na kailangan natin to prevent na po yung mga diseases in our body. So, this innovative technology is actually came from all over the world. Bakit? Yung mga top na leading countries na tumutulong sa atin para ma-enhance yung health and wellness industry is nasa formulation to. And that is Taiwan, Korea, Norway, and also Japan. So, you usually na marinig nga itong mga countries na to, not only with their food supplement, but yung advanced na ano nila talaga, yung innovation nila sa everything, sa lahat ng bagay. So, very advanced sila, specifically with our food supplement. Kaya dito tayo kumuha ng sources. So, let me introduce you with the Vertix Pro Antarata. So, this is a patented Anthrodia camporata, which is nasa soft gel capsule siya, and it have 9 patented studies, not only 1 or 2, but also 9 patented studies. So, yung mga patent studies, again, these are the certification or proof na nag-undergo talaga yung product natin or yung mga ingredients na nilagay natin in our formulation sa mga different or series of testing para ma-prove yung effect niya. So for the 9 patent, actually there are 4 patents under Andredia camporata. Then we also have 1 each for the patented fermented red ginseng and beta-glucan. And then we have 3 patents under patented concordant. So, syempre, to make it trustworthy, again, we need some studies or proof. So, therefore, ayan, I'll be showing you the first ingredient, which is the anthrancata. So, Anthradia campulata is its scientific name. So, yung scientific name, ay kumbaga, yun talaga yung tawag yun sa pinaka-maximum natin. But Anthrancata is the patent name na po yung product natin. So, just to make it clear lang po with you, since you will be doing the contents or the materials po para din sa mga product natin. And your customers might ask that also. So, Antarata is actually a very well-known ingredient in Taiwan. It has 5,000 research study worldwide. So, kapag po nagpunta kayo sa Google, actually, pag sinearch nyo si Anthradia camporata, it's very popular with its effect. Ibig sabihin, well-established na po sa market kung ano yung nagagawa niya. So, mostly of the studies na makikita ninyo is about liver protection or yung liver repair na nagagawa niya for our body. So, there are liver immunology studies, we have protective studies that Andrea could do for our body, and other tables po that prove or other study that prove na very effective yung ating rata. So not only with inflammation or not only with the in the liver health, but also it is effective for different parts of our body. So this is the four certification that we have for Antararata. So may mga US tayo, but mostly also nanggagaling um, sa Taiwan yung patent niya. So again, kung makikita niyo po dyan, may mga numbers yan. And yung mga numbers na yun po yung magpo-prove na talagang published na patent po yung makikita niyo kay Antarata. And then, at the same time, to know more about Antirata. So Antirata is actually a mushroom that came from Taiwan. So this is very precious. Kaya siya tinawag the ruby of the forest. So yung ruby of the forest is actually, dahil siya red na red kasi si Antirata pag nakita natin siya personally. Parang natural red po siya. Tapos, ruby is actually a precious gem also. So, dahil si Antarata is medyo mahal, kaya tinatawag siya na ruby of the forest. Ganun po ka-important ang ating Antarata. So, just to emphasize, meron kayong makikitang triterpenes or triterpenes doon inside or yung pinaka-active component ng Antarata natin. So, it is said that it has bitter taste. So actually, alam niyo po ba, may perspective tayo na basta mapait, effective siya. Well, that is true because sometimes the component, kung sino pa talaga yung pinaka-healthiest, so sino pa yung pinaka-effective for our health, is yung pa yung may bitter taste talaga. So it is said that yung taste ng Antarata is mapait. That's why it is effective because of its active ingredients. So, aside from that, of course, this is a life-saving elixir. So, nakakatulong talaga siya to save ourselves from the diseases. Again, from ang goal ng presentation natin or ang goal natin actually to launch this product is to help us para makapagbigay ng options para sa preventive medicine. So, it could help us with antioxidant, liver protection. You saw all the studies about the Antarata being hepatoprotective or yung nakakatulong siya for liver protection. Actually, I saw this one study habang inaaral ko si Antarata. May nakita akong study which says na yung mga alcoholic or yung mga tao na nag-break ng alcohol, of course, nag-damage si liver. Liver, the main function of our liver is to detoxify yung fluids natin sa katawan, like yung blood natin. So, minsan napapagod siya kapag inom tayo ng ito kasi toxic nga naman yung alak sa katawan natin. So, sometimes when we are drinking too much, nasisira yung liver natin. And it is said in that studies na lahat ng nag-take ng may Antarata nakakatulong para ma-repair o ma-regenerate yung cells sa liver natin. So, ganun yung nagagawa ni Antarata sa liver natin. That is very helpful because actually, Philippines is the top one user of gin, yung gin na alak. So, many talaga ang siya kasi diet din naman natin. Actually, kahit hindi na alcoholic drinker, yung mga samgyup, yung mga oily foods, mga red meats, those are very damaging with our body, especially with our liver. So, yun, yung Antarata, nakakatulong talaga siya para maprotektahan yung katawan natin from those damages. And again, we have antioxidant. To specify, antioxidant inside our Antarata is the glucan and also the polysaccharide. So, antioxidant, kasi later on, actually in very three, mababanggit ko din si antioxidant. So, to make us to explain more about antioxidant, si antioxidant is actually a molecule na nakukuha natin with our diet or with our supplements. So, ito po yung nakakatulong sa atin para to stabilize yung mga free radicals in our body. When we are exposed po sa mga different external stresses like yung yung radiation ng laptops natin or gadgets natin, yung init ng araw, yung usok, yung vices natin, yung pag-drink natin ng excessive na alcohol or yung smoking natin, lahat po yun nag-equivalent sa accumulation of free radicals in our body. Pag nag-a-accumulate si free radicals sa katawan natin, nanggugulo siya, sinisira na yung cells natin. Siya yung reason kung bakit nadadamage yung cells natin. So what antioxidant do for free radicals o dun sa mga free radicals is ini-stabilize niya. Kumbaga, pinapakalma niya yung mga free radicals para hindi siya manira ng cells natin. Kasi, if you know that cancer is actually bugbog na cell. So, syempre, the more na nabubugbog yung cells natin dahil sa free radicals, the more po na nadadamage yung katawan natin kaya nag-start si cancer. Kaya naman po, with our anti-rata, life-saving elixir talaga siya. Nakakatulong siya para mapababa yung chances ng cancer in our body. It could also protect us from liver or protect yung liver natin from the damages at madami pa siyang other na mga benefits kasi all of that actually naglulog lang siya sa antioxidant at sa liver protection niya. Dahil nga po, the more the healthier yung katawan mo, the more na nagpa-function yun ng maayos. Actually, our body have a natural immunity. Ibig sabihin, ginawa tayo ng Diyos talaga na kayang labanan dapat yung mga diseases, yung mga nagpe-penetrate sa katawan natin. Pero sometimes kasi, medyo humihina tayo because of our lifestyle. That's why we need to supplement our body with the right nutrient to boost yung ating foundation. So, yun yung nagagawa ng Antrarata and it's really amazing. Actually, while I'm reading this or yung binabasa ko nga po yung mga studies ng Antrarata, ay naisip ko dapat pala yung parents ko nag-take din ng Antrarata to make their body really healthy. So, ganun ka-important yung Antrarata natin. So next is we have the patented fermented red ginseng. So the reason why we put other ingredients is to make it more effective. Antrarata might have different studies, pero syempre, we want to enhance it. So the patented red ginseng naman have 130 research studies. So si red ginseng, ito yung nakikita natin sa mga Korean movies, sa K-drama. So, pag nanonood kayo ng K-drama, di ba pag napapagod sila, nagtitake sila ng ginseng? Because ginseng is very effective as an anti-fatigue, anti-stress na herb or na food supplement. So it's really effective. There's a lot of studies that it could alleviate your stress, your pagod, and then at the same time, nakakatulong siya to boost our immunity. And ang patent name nga niya is si HYFRG. So yung isa natin is Antrarata yung patent name niya. That's Andrevia camporata. And then yung ating second na ingredient is a patented red ginseng from Korea and HYFRG. Hindi ko nga alam bakit dito kahirap banggit nila patent name nila, but that is the fermented red ginseng. And again, it has one patent na process or patent na certificate for this one. So, to know more about patented red ginseng, it's originated from Korea. Again, kung talagang kahit sinong kakilala nyo, I'm sure you know also Sir Enric na si ginseng talaga, mostly nakukuha siya sa Korea because yun yung pinaka-best place. Kasi ang kada produkto or mga ingredient, may mga environment din yan na dapat kino-consider to make it more fresh or more good. So, si Red Ginseng, nanggagaling siya kay Korea. Kasi dun yung best na makukuha natin, si Red Ginseng. And it is said that the Korean Red Ginseng contains 30 types of saponins from the red ginseng plus 23 types naman po of saponins from the white ginseng. Saponins, kung kanina ang antioxidant kay antirata is the polysaccharides and also the beta-glucan. We have saponins naman as an antioxidant in the red ginseng. But aside from the saponins, actually yung saponins or yung ginsenoside is actually a type of antioxidant. So it is said na mahanap natin yung highest amount of that antioxidant in red ginseng. And this one undergo to deglycosylation. So that process is nire-remove natin yung sugar from the glycogen. So, syempre medyo technical na yon, but to make it easier to understand, yung process na yun kasi tinutulungan tayo to make our ingredient more stable and mas madali siya na ma-absorb ng katawan natin. So, ibig sabihin, mas effective siya. Kasi anything na mas mabilis i-accept ng katawan mo, yun yung mas nagagamit ng katawan natin, kaya mas nagiging effective siya. So, again, kanina nabanggit ko, this is fermented. So, like yung mga Yakult natin, yan, fermented siya. Why? Did you know that kapag fermented ang red ginseng, that is 150 times higher yung bioavailability na at yung amount ng antioxidant niya kaysa dun sa mga ordinary na red ginseng. So, that is the importance of our red ginseng. So, just to discuss further, the effect of red ginseng or yung efficacy itself niya is also very effective siya for us ang anti-inflammatory. It regulates the inflammatory in our body. Ano nga ba importance nun? Actually, inflammation is connected with the anti-allergy, anti-tumor, yung hepato, protective niya, skin protection. Actually, lahat sila nagkukulit sa anti-inflammatory. So, i-discuss ko na lang si anti-inflammatory. So, anti-inflammation, yung natutulungan niya po tayo na ma-reduce yung inflammation. When our body is under inflammation, mas nagiging weak yung katawan natin. Kasi mas active yung mga immune cells natin, mas na-activate yung cells natin. Para nag-i-induce siya ng damage or ng pagkapagod dun sa mga cells natin pag under inflammation tayo. So, we are under inflammation kapag stress tayo. Usually, pag stress tayo, ganyan. Alam niyo, napapansin niyo yung haggard yung itsura niyo. Parang hindi siya ibang-iba sa actual yung itsura, pero minsan haggard ka. Yun nga yung term na haggard. So, ibig sabihin, kaya nagda-darken yung face mo kasi yung cells ng katawan mo napapagod, nasisira. So, merong hyperpigmentation. So, yun yung magagawa ng inflammation in our body. And again, mas na-activate yung immune cells natin. Kaya siya nauubos ng nauubos. So, imbis na nagagamit yung immune cells natin for the actual penetration ng mga foreign substances, nagagamit siya dun sa mga so kumbaga in short walang kwenta na mga bagay, kaya humihina yung katawan natin. Kaya kailangan natin ng something na makakatulong sa atin na ma-alleviate yung inflammation in our body, and that is our red ginseng. Pag meron tayong tinitake na anti-inflammatory, our immune cells are higher, mas active yung immune cells natin, stimulate yung mga lymphocytes in our body, macrophages. Those are the white blood cells or kinds of natural killer or yung immune cells natin in our body. Ibig sabihin sila yung nag-engulf ng mga foreign substances para sirain or i-terminate sa katawan natin. So, yun yung nagagawa ng mga immune cells natin. Kaya kailangan natin silang protektahan. Kasi pinoprotektahan nila tayo for the foreign substances na nagpe-penetrate in our body. Pero yun na nga, bonus na rin kay patented red blood cells, it's very high with antioxidant. Nakakatulong din siya for the liver protection. Because again, remember, when yung katawan natin is full of free radicals na na-accumulate na nanggagaling dun sa pag-inom natin, pag-smoke, sa pollution. Kahit nga wala kang bisyo, actually, yung ano pa lang, yung pollution, yung input ng araw, nade-damage yung internal organs natin. And ang pinaka-na-apektuhan doon, yung liver. Kaya ngayon, yung parang pabata, yung may damage or may problema sa liver health kasi sila nga yung na-damage talaga. So again, patented red ginseng is very good as an anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and also hepato protective na product sa katawan natin. So, next is we have the patented beta-glucan. So, si patented beta-glucan have 89 studies that nag-show na talaga very effective siya with immune system. Actually, MGuard or the beta-glucan is very effective talaga siya for immunity. So, this is the step 1 to 2 kung paano ba yung mechanism ni MGuard. As can you see, si MGuard kasi pupunta siya dun sa immune cells natin. What is that? What it does is nagpe-penetrate siya kay immune cells. So, tinitrigger na yung mga receptors dun sa immune cells natin para mag-signal na, uy, dapat tulungan mo na yung body na to, dapat tulungan mo na siya na ma-prevent yung mga penetration. So, tinutulungan niya maging sensitive yung ating immune cells. Because sometimes, for example, may infection na sa paa. Kapag mabagal yung immune cells mo, hindi siya mapupunta agad sa paa natin. Tapos, mag-i-spread yung infection in our body. But with MGuard, what it does is ginagawa ng sensitive si immune cells para kumbaga hindi siya kumbaga parang sa bahay lang. Di ba pag pinasok yung bahay mo, pag light sleeper ka, advantage sa'yo kasi magigising ka agad, konting kaluskos lang, tapos mape-prevent mo yung pagnanakaw dun sa bahay mo. Pero kapag mahimbing ka matulog, or hindi ka ganun ka-sensitive, wala, nakuha na lahat ng mga gamit mo or appliances mo, hindi mo ba siya na-prevent sa pangyayari. So, ganun yung ginagawa ni MGuard. Kaya parang guard siya talaga. So, tinutulungan niya tayo para ma-boost yung sensitivity ng immune cells natin to prevent the penetration and spreading of the infection in our body para mas lalo tayo strong. So, again, beta-glucan have many studies about its effect to make it or to increase your immunity natin in our body. Those are the examples, and we have the manufacturing process patent. So again, it undergoes to the glucose C-base enzyme process to make it more effective for our body. So again, si beta-glucan is actually nanggaling siya sa world's leading list expert kasi inaano din natin ito, culture din natin siya. So, galing siya sa Norway. Yes, came from Norway. So, meron siyang certification to prove na nanggaling siya sa very good na factory or na supplier. Kaya, ito yung nilagay natin sa Vertex Pro. And again, for the efficacy of the product, it enhances our immune system response. Like what I mentioned a while ago, yung pinakitang step 1 to 3 ni MGuard, yung ginagawa na. It make us sensitive for the infection. The more sensitive you are, the more po na mas mabilis yung response ng body mo para hindi siya mag-spread out. Actually, this is some kind of anti-cancer benefit na rin. Kasi, usually, cancer is some kind of infection. Although nag-start siya inside your body and nag-start siya sa healthy cells. Parang kung kaya ng immunity mo na is to-terminate agad yung cancer, hindi siya magiging cancer o hindi siya magiging tumor. I mean, hindi siya lalala. There are instances na nagkakaroon tayo ng cancer, hindi lang natin alam. Kasi nata-terminate na siya o napapatay na siya agad yung immune system natin. So that's what we want. We want to build our immune system for it to be able to know sino ba yung cell na may cancer in our body, kailangan na siyang ma-terminate para hindi na siya kapalag. Ganun yung ginagawa ng ating patented beta glucan. Then, lagay natin siya in our body. And last but not the least is we have the patented Fucoidan. This is some kind of brown algae. So, si Fucoidan naman have studies which has 25,000 studies na tumutulong or nagpapakita yung significant effect niya as an anti-cancer in our body. If you will see yung mga even in TikToks, may pinapanood ako yung na ano sa TikTok, yung Japanese na doctor siya. Talagang wala siyang produkto na binibenta. Pero sa Japan, napakataas ng lifespan niya. Shinare yung doctor na the Japanese lifespan, or although alam ko naman very ano na yun, parang alam na natin lahat yun. Yung lifespan ng Japanese is mas mahaba talaga kaysa sa other um, na countries. Why? Because Fucoidan is something that they eat. Lagi nilang kinakain yung Fucoidan. And it is said that si Fucoidan pala talaga is very effective as an anti-cancer na product, na ingredient. So that's why we put our R&D, we put the Fucoidan in our formulations. So dito makikita nyo na yung may Fucoidan tayo, that is makikita nyo po yung dot niyan sa left side ng ating screen. Yan po yung mga tumor cells. So super dami na, di ba? Tapos kapag chinek na siya with the added Fucoidan, bumababa yung tawag dito, bumababa yung tumor cells natin o yung mga cancer cells na. So, Fucoidan is very effective para ma-reduce yung dami ng cancer or ng tumor cells in our body. And of course, it have patent certification to prove na talagang stable yung ating product. And of course, eventually, if stable siya, magiging effective siya for our consumption. So again, Fucoidan is from seashells, from sea ang Fucoidan. Kaya sa island siya kinukuha, which is Ryukyu Islands in Japan. So, Kanehide Bio Co. Ltd. So, it's 100% Okinawa seeds. So, talagang meron siyang 35 years of history. So, napakatagal na. Mas matanda na nga siya sa atin. Diba? Imagine that. So, ganun taas yung value ng ating patented Fucoidan. And again, it is said that the purity of this product is 89.9% yung purity niya or yung pinaka-concentration ng product natin. So again, ang effects ng ating patented Fucoidan or yung efficacy. Number one, it induces apoptosis in cancer cell. That means, or apoptosis means yung parang apop. Pinapop niya yung cancer cells in our body. Pop, ibig sabihin, pinapatay niya yung mga cancer cells in our body. And therefore, of course, a healthier body means reduce of blood pressure, lowers blood serums. Actually, si Fucoidan, itong seaweeds na to, is very effective siya para sa cardiovascular health. Di ba yun yung mga top diseases kung bakit namamatay ang tao? Heart disease, cancer. Si Fucoidan, nata-target ni both heart disease and cancer. Kaya nga, ang haba ng lifespan ng mga Japanese. So, syempre, ang target natin, maging ganun din yung mga Filipinos. Bumaba din ang lifespan natin. So, Again, it has an anti-tumor. Nakita mo naman, sir, sa studies kung paano mabawasan yung tumor cells when it comes to adding fucoidan, and again, it enhances immune activity. Anything with antioxidant, it enhances our immune activity. So that is our Vertex Pro Antirata. Again, we have four major ingredients in our formulation. We have the Antrorata, the red ginseng, the patented red ginseng, and then we also have the M-Guard, or yung ating beta-glucan, and last but not the least is the fucoidan, which is the brown algae. So that is the fourth effective formulation for overall health, but yung pinaka-tina-target niya is for liver protection and anti-cancer product. So, ngayon, saan nga ba natin nilagay yung ating Vertex Pro? I'm sure excited na kayo na i-take yung product natin. But to know more naman yung outside ng ating product natin, there is 5 special technology from inside and out. So internally, we have the antioxidant preservation technology and the nanotechnology emulsification dito sa product natin. So this 1 and 2, yun yung technology na ginagamit natin para maging active pa rin yung ingredient. So, bakit nga ba natin kailangan maging active ang ingredient? So, pag sinabing active po yung ingredient, ibig sabihin kapag in-absorb natin siya sa katawan natin, magkakaroon siya ng effect. Pag inactive kasi, kailangan siya i-process ng katawan natin para maging effective siya. Pero sometimes, effects in active, hindi na siya napaprocess properly, nalulose lang natin siya or nasisikip lang natin siya. So that's why what we want is to preserve the antioxidant. Again, from ingredient 1 to 4, all of these are antioxidants. So we have to protect that antioxidant to make it active. And then, of course, outside, you could see the seamless, yung capsule, easier siya to take, meron siyang anti-adhesion na enteric coating. Enteric coating will be additional protection po para dun sa soft gel natin. Again, this is a very, very valuable gel, so kailangan natin siyang protektahan. And we have a nitrogen filled active capsule technology. Ang ano po kasi ingredient, sensitive siya sa oxygen. That's why we do nitrogen-filled active capsule para ma-protectahan from the damages. So again, this will maintain po yung activities natin up until consumption of our customers. So that is our Vertex Pro Antirata, 1 capsule a day. Of course, it will help us to prevent yung mga different diseases. And again, this is highly recommended for all of you. Again, as a nutritionist, naisip ko kanina na very important talaga yung ingredient of Vertex Pro. So definitely, dapat matry siya ng parents namin. So, ayun. So, again, this is the technical version po ng ating presentation. So, for Sir Erwin, meron ka po bang any questions po about the product?
Bali, ma'am, ano lang naman po. What is the best positioning po sa kanya? Anti-cancer and liver protection lang po. Yan.
Yes, actually, sir, tinanong ko na po yun. Kasi piling ko tatanungin din ako ni Sir Mark. So,
Opo.
sabi po ng team namin, ang pinaka-best daw po talaga is number 1, overall health. Parang wag natin siyang i-limit. Pero if
Opo.
need po natin siya na talagang precise, I think it's something between the ads po. Kailangan yata precise para malaman nyo talaga kung saan siya effective. Pwede po yung liver protection and also anti-cancer po na product. Parang prevention po for cancer po yung ating product, sir.
Ayun lang naman po.
Ay, okay po, sir.
Apo.
Okay po. So far po, isa-send ko na lang po, sir. May email ka ba, sir? Para sa inyo ko na lang isend yung tapos i-share niyo na lang po kay Sir Mark.
Sige. Send ko na lang po, ma'am.
Ay, sige, sir. Send mo na lang po dito. stop recording. Yung malaki.